ketchup, some yogurt. Oh gosh. Coffee ground. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Oh, here for you guys. Oh my gosh. Here it is, guys. The mess. The cleaner. So this is the Dream vacuum and mop cleaner. Beautiful. If this doesn't work, I need to clean this all by myself. Please, Dream. You can do it. Starting self-cleaning. So what this is gonna do, it is going to clean this mop right here, and it also dries this mop down here, so you don't get any smelly residue or anything like that on this vacuum. It's self-cleaning. It dries it. It's the all-in-one vacuum you need. The Dream.